Today, I want to share an important message about the impact of technology on our lives. We live in a world where our phones and gadgets are constantly demanding our attention. While technology has brought many benefits, it's essential to remember not to let it control our lives. Do you find yourself constantly checking your phone, scrolling through social media, or playing games for hours? This habit can distract us from doing meaningful activities. As Albert Einstein once said, I fear the day that technology will surpass our human interaction. The world will have a generation of idiots. This quote reminds us of the importance of real human connections and personal growth. Instead of spending all day on your phone, focus on improving yourself. Read more books. Reading expands your mind, improves your vocabulary, and helps you think critically. It opens up new worlds and ideas that can inspire and motivate you. Engage with high intellectuals. Seek out conversations with people who challenge your thinking and share their knowledge. These interactions can help you grow and develop a deeper understanding of the world. Develop real life skills. Learn to cook, play a musical instrument, learn to edit, or take up a new hobby. These skills not only make you more independent, but also boost your confidence and creativity. Remember, technology should be a tool to enhance our lives, not dominate them. Let's strive to balance our use of technology with activities that contribute to our personal growth and well being. Let's put down our phones more than often and focus on becoming the best versions of ourselves. Have a wonderful day. مدرب لغة وليد خالد.